Hello friends, so I'll be uh, telling to you about this particular website called My Simple Show. It is a website which allows you to convert your PowerPoint presentation or your presentation into a video. Now for this, before you use this website, you need to register yourself. Now when you load this particular website mysimpleshow.com through your web browser, immediately it takes you to this interface of this particular website, and you'll have a good number of options available here. Now if you want to register, on the extreme right hand side of the website on the top you have this option called login. So you have to click on it, and immediately it takes you to a form which says that would you like to log in with Facebook, would you like to log in with Google, or would you like to log in with Microsoft, or you would like to create and sign up into this website directly also. So for this you have to enter your email account and password over here. But suppose if you're a new user, you have to click on sign up, which is right at the bottom of this form. So you click on sign up, it takes you again to the same similar form where it will ask you how do you like to sign up. Is it you would like to sign up with your Facebook account, or with your Google account, or with Microsoft, or you would like to create directly here in the portal of this mysimpleshow.com. Now if you have a Google account, well and good, and especially for those who are teaching, I would suggest that you sign up with that Google account that you have against the college or institution that you are teaching from. So in this case you can click on sign up, but since I've already created an account, so I don't have to sign up. So after signing up, okay, it will prompt you to enter your username, which is your email ID, which is in Gmail, okay, and the password that you have given in that account. So after that it will take you back again to the screen, will ask you to log in. So when you click on log in, it takes you to this, and it will ask you how would you like to log in. So in this case you'll choose sign in with Google. So I'll click on it, and then it takes you to another form which is connecting to your Google account, and there immediately it will take you to this account, okay, where is your Gmail is being created. Now for me, I don't have to enter the username and password, is because already I have logged into my Gmail account. So immediately it takes that authentication of my Gmail account and immediately takes me here. Now here, before you start working with this, there's one option I would suggest to you that you will have to select first to show that you are a educator or a teacher teaching for the students. So for this you have to click on this tab called pricing. So click on it, and it takes you to the pricing interface of this simpleshow.com, and immediately it shows to you, okay, are you which plan you would like to select. Is it enterprise, is it business, is it for professional? Now you will not select any of these, you have to just scroll down and you have to select the option, oh so sorry, I think for education, oh yeah, sorry, here. So as you scroll down you'll see these fun, business and education. So you click on this tab called education right at the bottom, and it comes here. So it'll ask you which classroom are you going to teach for, which is basically around up to 50 students that are enabled. So you click on select classroom, and immediately it takes you to this, okay, where it'll ask you a few information. So it'll ask the date of birth, your name, your first name, your last name, your address, okay, then facts of your role. So you have to select who you are, a professor, teacher, pupil, student. Then you have to give the name of your institution, the URL of the established education institution, okay, that is your college website. So you have to type that, and after that you click on order education for free. And as soon as you do that, immediately you will get an email from the organization, okay, and this organization will inform you that you have been added, okay, your account has been added, okay, and you'll get a message which is something like this: welcome to my simple show. Sometimes they may ask to prove that your credential that you are a teacher. They might ask from you to give the name of the link of the organization where your institution that you are belonging to. So you'll get a message like this: hello so and so, thank you for getting in touch. We are happy to hear that you signed up for a classroom license. The document that verifies you as a teacher or student can be either certificate of enrollment, teacher ID, or the link to your school website with your name on it. So you have to give the link of the college website to which you belong to, and also detailing the departments where you belong. So you have to give the address of that. For example, let us say I go to my college website, and what I have to do is just navigate to that link where my department is located. Okay, so in this case is computer science, and all I have to do is just copy this link. Okay, anthonys.ac.in/academics/depts_com_sc.php. so I just have to provide this link when they ask for it. Or if you feel that you want to give your ID, you can provide that. You can email your scan ID of the institution to which you belong to. Okay, now let us say you have done all of this. Then you want to start making your videos from your presentation. So you click on the tab My Videos on the top of the screen, and it will show you the list. And I've already made a few videos already. So what you have to do, if you want to create a fresh video, you click on Create New Video tab. Then it takes you here. So first it'll ask you what is the name of your project, so you can name it. Okay, so let me just name it Introduction to Computer. Okay, so what mode of language you use, so English. Now if you want to upload your PowerPoint where it will extract the text from your existing PowerPoint, you can do that. But I want to create a fresh you can say a video based on the script that I will make. So I'll type here, write your own script. So I'll click on write your own script. Then it takes me here where first of all it will take you to the screen. So to remove this unwanted screen, you can just click here, don't show again, and then click on the close button. So now it will take you to this option. So you have to click on a tab called Educational, and here there are some predefined storyline that you can choose from. If you are from the history department, if you want to explain a historical event, you select explain historical event. If you are from a medical field, then you choose this one, explain a medical disease. If you are from the field of biology, biochemistry, biotechnology, you can choose zoology or botany. You can choose this, introduce a biological process. If you are from physics, you can choose introduce a physical law. If you are from the literature department, you can choose this one, summarize literature, summarize a famous person biography. Or if you're from media, you can interpret literature or a movie. Then you have blank template, then discuss the pros and cons of a thesis, explain a law, introduce a chemical substance, then explain a medical formula, introduce a country. Now there are so many of these options, but I'll choose the blank template because it does not match with my topic. So I'll choose this one, blank template. Then again it comes here, you give this remove this screen that appears, don't show again, and close it. So first of all, you have to give the title of your video. So I'm giving here Introduction to Computer. So this will be the title that comes. Okay, then after that I will go to the story. So here I have to make a story. So you can write here. So few script here. just typing here about a script about what is a computer and all those things. So I'm just typing here. Then after I go to the end screen, then I type thank you for listening. Okay, so these are the script of this presentation of the video that I would produce. Then after that, I then click on choose visuals. Now what does this choose visual will do? It will generate the possible visuals that match the script that I have spoken, that I have just typed just now. So set well done, sit back, relax. So simpleshow will try to generate the possible, visuals for that script that I have typed out. Now as we wait, again the screen will come up, so we'll remove it. And so now it comes here. So introduction to computers. So the keyword computer is being highlighted and it shows us visual of a computer. Then here again it shows that in this age of technology, so suppose if you're not happy with this which has been shown here, you can go to the illustration where there are many illustrations there which you can choose from. If you're happy with it, well done, good. Now if age you can change the picture from here. If you don't like, you can delete it. So and then again it comes back here. So this is it. Okay. Now if you feel happy with the visuals as has been given in the script, then if you want to visualize and have a preview of this, you can click on preview video. I will load. Now sometimes if it takes time to load.
Introduction to computer. So in this age of technology, most of us are aware of the use of computers. But have you wondered about the origin and definition of computer? Computer is an electronic device that enables to perform arithmetic and logical operations. There are many sizes and forms of computer since its inception. Thank you for listening.
If you're not happy with those visuals again, certain terms, you can go back and change them. Like for example, this one, forms. And type and then search here. If you're not happy, then change. So this form does not match with the visual. You can then choose another one. If I'm not happy, then I can not display it and press delete, remove it. Then if you're happy, then you go to finalize, tap on this button finalize. Now in finalize, okay, if you have not registered as a educator, you'll have limited choices in terms of the speaker who's going to speak. Now here, since I've chosen as an educator, so I've been given with many options here. So I choose another name, say Brian, so you'll get a different voice altogether. If the background music being played is what you do not like, and you choose another one, so you can choose music, tap on music, then it shows you a good number of options. You can choose this one, funky groove. Then say volume of the music background, if it's too much, then you can reduce it. Okay, all of that. And once that is done, then you can click on preview again, just to get a preview first.
Introduction to computer. So in this age of technology, most of us are aware of the use of computers. But have you wondered about the origin and definition of computer? Computer is an electronic device that enables to perform arithmetic and logical operations. There are many sizes and forms of computer since its inception. Thank you for listening.
Okay, so now if you're happy with it, then you click on finalize video. Then it takes you to this screen asking you what is the privacy content. So it will be public, accessible, and then the video format will be in SD form. Then you click on OK, and when it does that, it does the conversion of this video, and basically it will connect to my simple show link, where it will try to do a conversion of video, and sometimes you have to wait. Okay, so it will give you a message like this: congratulations, you have queued your video for finalizing. This will take some time and will notify you via mail. You can safely close your web browser. So in the meantime, let me also wait. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah. Okay, now once it's done, then it you'll see that when you scroll down, you'll see the download, upload. Now if you want to download, you click on download. Immediately takes you to the screen. What would you like to download? Okay, so you download, and you can then save it. And if you want to upload, you can click on upload and then choose your YouTube channel. Now in my case, since I don't want to upload to YouTube channel, so I don't have to click on this because I've already downloaded it. And then this is it. And then after, you can then share it with your students, this video. So I'll just show you a preview of that video which was shown just now. So this is the one.
Introduction to computer. So in this age of technology, most of us are aware of the use of computers. But have you wondered about the origin and definition of computer? Computer is an electronic device that enables to perform arithmetic and logical operations. There are many sizes and forms of computer since its inception. Thank you for listening.